Welcome to my YouTube cooking channel, where today we're going to make a delicious and beautiful princess cake. Let's start with the ingredients. You'll need 6 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. For the filling and decoration, you'll need 2 cups of whipped cream, 1 cup of raspberry jam, and green food coloring. To begin, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. In a mixing bowl, beat the eggs and sugar until light and fluffy. Then gently fold in the flour, baking powder, vanilla extract, and salt. Pour the batter into a greased cake pan and bake for 25-30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. While the cake is baking, prepare the filling by coloring the whipped cream with green food coloring. Once the cake has cooled, carefully slice it into 3 even layers. Spread raspberry jam on the bottom 2 layers and top with the green whipped cream. Stack the layers and cover the entire cake with whipped cream. Now for the fun part, decorating the princess cake. Use a piping bag to create rosettes on top of the cake and add edible pearls or sprinkles for a magical touch. And there you have it, a stunning princess cake fit for royalty. In summary, for the princess cake, you'll need eggs, sugar, flour, baking powder, vanilla extract, salt, whipped cream, raspberry jam, and green food coloring. Follow the steps to create the layers, fillings, and decorations, and you'll have a show-stopping dessert that's as delicious as it is beautiful. Thanks for watching and happy baking!